to the drone where Liki's over the water. Want to say something?
Hello.
And Charlie's playing Erizae's toys. Yep, Erizae's going to Liki. They're setting up the tent. Are you gonna build sandcastles for Erizae? Make it nice. I forgot the GoPro. Then I was gonna bring the drone, but I didn't know if it was charged, and there's nowhere to charge it here, so I just left it at home. But I'm glad I didn't bring it. It's too windy to fly it. I forgot to vlog. I think I just Snapchatted it, but we went to L&L. We had breakfast, and then I brought my leftover fries and some ketchup. But Liki had like a whole breakfast lunch. But I don't think I vlogged. I'm not sure. I think this is the first part I vlogged. Is this at the beach? And there's another dog, but they left already. Not hopping on my first. What kind of sandcastle is that? Oh, there's not the little bucket in there?
No, Erizae took it.
Oh, there I see it. I think you gotta go get more wet sand. Oh my god, my battery's gonna die. Fail. So fail. Forgot to charge it. I might have to end up using Liki's phone as a camera and then just transfer it later. But I don't know, my camera's gonna die, but I'll get as much footage as I can. Show mommy. What's that? Ice cream? She got dibs. Liki got same as me. Nope. Too close. Telling Papa down. Wow. She's seen it. She said, wow. Oh, you got a gun? What you got? Show mommy. The ball? Egg? What else you got? Wow. What else? Show mommy what else you got. Open? Oh, candy. Here, look. Wow. Come on, mommy wants to see so we can video. He got 2 guns. They got it all purple. My favorite color. Look what she goes for, Dad. Candy? Oh, Ada's wrapper. Okay, open up the rest of your toys. Pull everything else out. What else you got? Pull it out. Let mommy see. Wow. Uh-oh. Mommy, help. Wow. You got more candy. So cute, this stuff. Wow. It's like a little Lego. Ooh, more balls. Ooh, ooh, you got a bubble gum. Bubble gun. This is what she needed at the beach today. They're playing with bubbles. They're playing with bubbles at the beach. That would have been perfect. And a purple gun. This is from Papa and Auntie Mary. Oh, more candy.
Is destined to get to that top 15.
One more.
Perfect challenge for him tonight in the form of Gonzaga.
Here, ready?
And a lot of people think the answer, Derek
Look.
Lewis, is to take them down.
Look, Princess.
When you look at the guys who try to take
Ooh.
all end up
Wow.
getting smashed. He's very
Wow.
He does a really good job.
Oh, there's
being
more.
economical with his energy.
Look, baby.
Trying to take him down. And it's shown excellent
Wow.
in both hands.
One more. Ready? Are you ready?
What I believe is the best submission.
Daddy here.
He is a
Wow.
jiu-jitsu.
You got a gun.
He's on the mat. He can also strike though. He's shown up here.
Oh, we gotta cut it. Oh, you got little Legos. Wow, this is a cute.
Why don't you go visit Papa tomorrow?
Biggest test.
She's trying to call Hockey. Hockey, where's he calling you?